JD Tools here. In my last video, I did not go over how to adjust your angles on the DeWalt chop saw, 15 amp, 14 inch blade. And here I'm going to show you how to adjust angles or how to get a good angle cut. I already cut some angles here on this angle iron. First of all, you want to get your Allen wrench holder, which comes in here. You pull it out, stick it right in there. It doesn't have to be extremely tight. This is a little loose for video purposes. As you can see, the numbers are etched into the metal, which makes it really nice. One of the downfalls to this is it is kind of hard to see, especially once the chop saw dust gets all over it. You got to kind of get down to see or wipe it off if you start doing a lot of angle cuts. And your line here that you line everything up on, it's also kind of hard to see, but that's it right there. It goes up and you line it with these lines right here. So let's say we want to do 45 at this angle. I'll spin it around, line it up with that line right there. Stick my little Allen wrench in there. Tighten it up. Be sure you do this one too, because I've tried to experiment, try to save time just by only doing one. You gotta tighten both of them down. Really happy with the angle cuts this chop saw makes. As you can see, the line is right in line with the other line right there. Right there. And we are right on the 45 mark. And then you get your piece in here. Remember, you can flip this piece back. It goes back and forth, nice and easy. It's called a cook block. Figure out how I got this here. So right there, you see how the angle is? You can kind of go like that. The particular cuts that I'm making, I'll prop it up against the edge here. And you don't want to tighten it down too much, because it tends to want to kind of get out of its position. Just do a nice little snug here. And then whenever you come down, try to make that nice 45 cut. Just like that. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. And if you want this tool, the DeWalt 15 amp chop saw with the 4 horsepower motor, I'm extremely happy with this one. The model is D28710. I'll put a link in the description box below. And if you want to order one online, you can. Thank you for watching.